Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today we'll be talking with you about how long you can stay in Panama without a visa. For those of you from the UK, US and Canada, it may surprise you to know that you can stay in Panama for a visa-free period. Whether you're planning a longer stay or a shorter stay, stay tuned for this video to find out more. Now let's get into it.
Panama is a popular destination for tourists and expats alike, offering a range of attractions from bustling cities to serene beaches. For many nationalities, including those from the UK and USA and Canada, Panama allows visa-free entry between 90 days and up to 180 days for US citizens and Canadian citizens. This period provides ample time to explore the country's diverse landscapes, vibrant culture, and welcoming communities without the need for immediate visa concerns. During these 90 days, visitors can experience everything Panama has to offer, from the historic Panama Canal to the picturesque Bocas del Toro. It's important to note that this visa-free period is strictly enforced. Overstaying can lead to fines, deportation, and potential restrictions on future entries. Planning your stay within the allotted time ensures a hassle-free and enjoyable visit. For those wishing to extend their stay, Panama offers various visa options. Tourist visas can sometimes be extended for an additional 90 days, but it's advisable to check the latest regulations as they can change. Alternatively, considering a temporary or permanent residency might be a worthwhile option for those looking to enjoy Panama for longer periods of time. How long can US citizens and Canadian citizens stay in Panama? Well, US citizens can enjoy a visa-free stay in Panama for up to 180 days, similar to visitors from many other countries. This generous period allows Americans to immerse themselves in the local culture, explore Panama's stunning landscapes, and even scout out potential places for long-term living. The 100-day visa-free entry is designed to facilitate tourism and short-term visits, making it easy for US citizens to enjoy a tropical getaway without the hassle of obtaining a visa beforehand. For those wishing to stay longer than 6 months, US citizens have several options. Exploring other visa options such as the Panama Visa for retirees or the Friendly Nation Visa can provide an extended stay or permanent residency opportunities. Each visa type has specific requirements, so it's important to research and prepare the necessary documentation well in advance to ensure a smooth transition for an extended stay in Panama. Please bear in mind that if you're a Canadian citizen, the same thing applies for you that applies for the US citizens. Can you extend your stay in Panama? If your stay is more than a month, you are not required to apply for an extension, but you will need to pay a fine for each month you overstay when leaving Panama. If an immigration officer reduces your stay to a maximum of 30 days upon entry and you wish to stay longer, you must apply for an extension. Alternatively, if you plan to stay longer, consider applying for a residency visa. Various visas such as the Panama Visa or the Friendly Nations Visa cater for long-term residents. These visas have specific requirements but provide a pathway for those who wish to live in Panama for an extended period of time or even permanently. What happens if you overstay in Panama? It's important to keep track of your stay duration to avoid overstaying, which can result in fines and complications for the future. If you plan to stay longer, you will need to apply for a visa extension or consider other visa options. Overstaying in Panama can lead to several consequences, which are taken very seriously by immigration authorities. If you overstay your allowed 90-day visa-free period, you will likely face fines upon departure. These fines can vary depending on the length of the overstay, and they must be paid before you can leave the country. In some cases, these fines can be substantial, so it's crucial to be aware of your visa status and make arrangements to leave or extend your stay before the deadline. Beyond the immediate financial penalties, overstaying in Panama can have a longer-term effect and longer-term implications. You may face difficulties re-entering Panama in the future as immigration authorities keep records of overstays. This can result in being flagged for additional scrutiny or even being denied entry on future visits.
toda aquella persona que ha estado en el territorio ilegalmente, ha pagado multa, ha salido, va a ser bastante difícil que pueda volver a entrar porque ha demostrado un comportamiento que dice que su intención es quedarse ilegal dentro del país sin arreglar su documentación.
To avoid these issues, it's essential to respect the visa regulations and make sure you leave or properly extend your stay before the 90-day period ends, or for US and Canadian citizens, 180-day period ends, paying sanction for your overstay. If you have overstayed your visa in Panama, it's essential to address the situation by paying the corresponding fine at the National Immigration Service. You must visit the National Immigration Service to request the form needed to pay the sanction for your overstay. The fine is $50 for each month you overstayed. This payment must be made before your departure, otherwise you will not be allowed to board your flight out of Panama. This information is relevant to 2024, so please stay up to date with your information. The form for paying can be submitted online, or you can find it on the official website of the National Immigration Service. It's crucial to handle this process well in advance to prevent any delays in your departure and ensure a smooth exit from the country. The link for the form will be linked down below. Importantly, do not request repatriation to your country, as this can result in sanctions that will affect your ability to return to Panama in the future. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more exciting content on Panama's city hidden gems. If you enjoyed this info, please check out our other videos and follow us for more local adventures. See you next time.